Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and install Numpy in VS Code. Now I'm recording this video on Mac, but all the commands we are going to be using also works on Linux, and with just minor changes you can also install Numpy on Windows, and I'll show you how to do that along the way. Now the first thing we are going to do is open up the terminal. You can click on this window right here, but depending on the setting of your VS Code, if you don't have it up there's no problem. You can simply come here and click on new terminal, and you also get the terminal. Now the first thing we're going to do is enter Python 3, then you do -m. So we need to create a virtual environment. Virtual environments are very important when creating Numpy projects, right? Because it will not allow the names to conflict between projects. So to create a virtual environment, you say venv, and then you name your environment whatever you want. In my case, I'll simply say env. Now if you're on Windows, you don't need to add 3, you just do Python. So with that, let's enter, and now you have the virtual environment up here. So the next thing we're going to do is to activate that virtual environment, right? So to do that, we enter source, and you use the name of your virtual environment, in my case env/bin/activate. all right, so we say activate. Now if you're on Windows, of course you use / not /, and this bin will be called scripts, not bin. So after you enter this command, you can press return, and now our virtual environment has been created, as you can see here. So since we have our virtual environment up and running, the next thing is to install Numpy. So pip install Numpy. Now once you do that, we have Numpy installing, and everything was installed successfully. So the next thing we're going to do is to simply check the installation, and I'll create a file for that called test.py. I already have my program written, so I'll just copy and paste it here. So I save, and now when we run the program, so I do Python test.py. So you see our program ran successfully. Now one thing you must always do is that after running your projects, you always want to deactivate the virtual environment, and to do that you simply enter the command deactivate. So now the virtual environment, as you can see, has been deactivated. So let's just clear the terminal. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.